When selecting a dog, many potential owners often wonder about the differences between male and female dogs. Many people believe there isn't much difference between male dogs and female dogs. But believe it or not, there are some surprising differences between two sexes. Understanding these differences can assist prospective dog owners in determining which gender might best fit their lifestyle. In this video, we will explore two sexes. Which one is best for you? Number 1. Male dogs tend to favor women. Dog may be known as man's best friend, but they certainly have a strong preference for women. In a study from 1986, researchers observed 20 dogs and found that female dogs were slightly hesitant to approach and make contact with strangers of any gender. However, male dogs were significantly more reluctant to approach and make physical contact with unfamiliar men. Animal behavior experts believe that men might be more intimidating in the dog eyes of dogs. Men are larger and taller than women. Men have deeper voice and may have different types of characteristics, such as facial hair. From a dog's perspective, these things can be frightening. Number 2. Dogs get along better with the opposite sex. Many stories and studies indicate that dogs often get along better with dogs of the opposite gender, and nature's survival instinct to create a family may influence why this is true. So if you are adding a second dog to your family, it might be worth considering creating these balance for a more peaceful home environment. Number 3. Same-sex aggression. Same-sex aggression. Male dogs are more likely to exhibit aggression towards other males, particularly if both are unneutered. This aggression is often rooted in competition for dominance and territory, and it can be exacerbated by the presence of a nearby female in heat. While neutering reduces the intensity of these behaviors, male-on-male aggression can still occur. Female dogs can also display aggression towards other females, but this is typically less common than male-on-male aggression. However, when female dogs do fight, the conflicts can be more intense and harder to resolve. Number 4. Health differences. Male dogs are susceptible to certain health conditions related to their reproductive organs, such as testicular cancer or prostate issues. Neutering a male dog greatly reduces the risk of these conditions and can also help in reducing aggressive behavior or the tendency to roam in search of a mate. Neutering is a relatively simple procedure with minimal recovery time, and many veterinarians recommend it to improve a male dog's overall health and longevity. Female dogs are at risk for conditions such as pyometra, a life-threatening infection of the uterus, and mammary cancer. Spaying a female dog eliminates the risk of pyometra and significantly reduces the likelihood of developing mammary tumors. Number 5. Male dogs have shorter life expectancies. Male dogs generally have shorter life expectancies than female dogs due to a combination of genetic, hormonal, and behavioral factors. Hormonal differences, particularly testosterone, can influence a male dog's behavior, leading to more risk-taking activities such as roaming or fighting with other dogs, which increases the likelihood of injuries or accidents. Additionally, male dogs are more prone to certain health issues, such as prostate problems and testicular cancer, especially if they are not neutered. These health risks can contribute to a shorter lifespan. Neutering can help mitigate some of these risks, but on average, male dogs tend to have slightly shorter lives than their female counterparts due to both biological and behavioral factors. Number 6. Male and female dogs hump. Humping is a natural and common behavior in dogs. Both male and female dogs may hump as a form of play, to assert dominance or due to excitement, stress, or anxiety. While humping is often associated with sexual behavior, especially in males, it can occur in both genders regardless of reproductive status. In female dogs, it can be a way to assert control in social interactions, while in males, it may also be linked to hormonal instincts, particularly if they are unneutered. The behavior is generally normal, but can be managed if it becomes excessive. Number 7. Male dog training. Male dogs can be harder to train than females, and it's thought that this is due to how much longer it takes for them to mature. Many male dogs are also known for their boisterous, zany personalities, which might make it more challenging for them to focus during training. But bear in mind that this is just a generalization, and you'll likely find some male dogs easier to train than some female dogs. Number 8. The largest dog in history was male. Male dogs are generally larger than females, both in height and weight. They often have bigger chests, heads, and heavier bones due to testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. For instance, Zeus, a male Great Dane, holds the Guinness World Record for tallest dog at 3 feet 5.18 inches. Another male dog, Zorba, an English Mastiff, was recognized as the heaviest dog, weighing 343 pounds. Number 9. Neutering/spaying effects. Male dogs, neutering can reduce muscle mass and may slightly decrease their overall size. It also helps prevent testicular cancer and prostate issues. Female dogs, spaying eliminates heat cycles and the risk of uterine infections and mammary tumors, which can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Number 10. Male dogs bite more frequently. Male dogs may bite female dogs more frequently due to a combination of behavioral and social dynamics. In some cases, male dogs, particularly if they are unneutered, may display more dominant or assertive behaviors, which can lead to increased aggression or biting towards other dogs, including females. This aggression is often related to territorial disputes, dominance challenges, or reproductive instincts. On the other hand, female dogs might also engage in aggressive behaviors, especially if they are in heat or feeling threatened. The frequency of biting can be influenced by individual temperament, socialization, and the context of their interactions, but generally, male dogs are observed to exhibit more aggressive tendencies towards other dogs, including females, due to their drive to establish dominance or territorial boundaries. Number 11. Male and female dogs' affection. Male and female dogs can both exhibit strong affection toward their owners, but their expressions of love can differ based on their individual personalities and behavioral tendencies. Male dogs often display overt and enthusiastic affection, seeking constant attention, physical closeness, and playtime. They may follow their owners around, nudge them for pets, and show an eagerness to be involved in activities. Female dogs, while affectionate, might be more reserved and selective in their displays of love. They can form deep, loyal bonds with their owners, but may show their affection in more subtle ways, such as cuddling close or seeking out quiet moments of connection. The difference in affection styles often reflects their temperament, and not necessarily a lack of love or devotion. Overall, both male and female dogs are capable of forming strong, loving relationships with their owners, though the ways they express this affection can vary.